Hey guys, it's me, Mighty Damo, with my sister Adawa. Say hi.
Hi.
And Lele.
Hi.
We're going to be watching a video that I wanted to watch. It's called Nyan Cat. Let's watch it, girls.
We're watching Nyan Cat. Nyan Cat.
It's going to be weird, isn't it? What the heck is this? What is this?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know what it is. She knows. She told me to watch it. What is this?
A kitty wearing a pop-top costume.
Oh yeah, it is. And it's farting out rainbows in space. That is not something you see every day. I am so confused there. No, it's good. We're gonna watch it in a minute. I have no idea what this is. Yeah, it's cat and Pop-Tart.
Yeah, and it's floating out rainbows. Floating out rainbows. That's not gonna be the color of it.
Again, what is this? Okay, so apparently there's a cat on a Pop-Tart farting out rainbows in space. Okay, number one, how's the cat surviving? Number two, why is it farting out rainbows? Number three, why is it a Pop-Tart? And why is it in space?
Because
you can watch on TV. Okay, I'm gonna get in a little closer. Is something gonna happen, or is this just gonna keep going on?
It's so bright.
I don't even know anymore. This is so confusing. Get it. Turn it off. It looks like a pink Pop-Tart. Yeah, hold on.
In a floaty costume.
Is something gonna happen there? Or is this just gonna keep going on?
He's in there.
Yeah, he's in a Pop-Tart on rainbows. I think it's a cute little tail.
What's the rainbow?
Is this done yet? Okay, something apparently might happen. Is he gonna like bump into something, or is this gonna keep going on? I am. I don't know why, but you requested it, so I guess I'm doing it. So you found this on your iPad?
No.
Where'd you find it?
I didn't find anything.
You just tell me that you found
my
it.
iPad too. I didn't
Yeah, well, you
find
told me
it.
that you
What's
did.
my iPad to do?
Yeah, sure. Seriously, is this done? This has been going on forever. And I need to dance, too.
Kitty in a pop-top. Kitty in a pop-top.
You're not enjoying this, are you, Tasha? No, you're probably not. What about you, Tasha? Are you enjoying the cat? Where'd you go? Probably outside. Whatever. Oh, there's you are, Tasha. Are you enjoying the cat?
It's a lamb.
You don't like the cat, do you? Oh, it's ending.
It's a lamb.
It ended. Thank God. So nothing happened, apparently. Slobs. Okay, well, that's it, I guess. Did you like that? Did you like that?
Let's watch Go Go Power Rangers.
Yeah, she loves that show.
Mighty Power Rangers.
Sing it, Dara.
Go Go Mighty Morphin Power. No!
Okay.
Let's go.
No. Okay, well, so I'll see you guys again later. I hope you guys enjoyed Adawa and me watching Nyan Cat. So, and Lele. This is weird. Okay, so, not expecting this, but see you guys later. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Lee.
Bye.
Bye.